Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need Waze installed and your phone paired to the Model Y via Bluetooth. Once paired, open Waze and enter a destination so you start the handoff immediately. Make sure Tesla's touchscreen is unlocked and the phone shows as connected under Bluetooth. This is the communication channel. Once done, in Waze tap the Share or Navigation to Car option. Prepare to accept the incoming navigation on the Tesla screen. This first step gets the route ready and creates the link between apps. With the route ready in Waze, choose Send to Car or Share and select Tesla if available. Alternatively, use the Waze notification that pushes to the car. You will see an Accept Navigation prompt on the Model Y. Tap it quickly so the route transfers. Next, preview the route on the Tesla map, check lanes and arrival time, and then start navigation in the car so guidance takes over. This step hands control to the Tesla for voice and map directions. Once navigation runs in the Model Y, confirm voice prompts come through the car speakers and that the map follows your position. Adjust audio source if needed. If the route doesn't transfer, disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth, force quit and reopen Waze, then resend the route. This clears transient pairing glitches. Make sure Waze has location and background permissions, and that Tesla software is up to date. Doing this prevents permission or compatibility interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.